People routinely dismiss daily bloating, post-meal fatigue, and incomplete bowel movements as unavoidable symptoms of ordinary stress. A gut reset is a structured, scientific healing process. It replaces the common trend of starvation diets or short-lived social media detoxes. We will follow a 7-day chronological roadmap. This protocol targets inflammation, restores beneficial bacteria, and addresses the root source. Ignoring early warning signs allows minor imbalances to develop into chronic conditions like IBS or leaky gut. A properly structured intervention halts that progression. During days 1 and 2, remove foods that overload your gut. We strictly eliminate dairy, gluten, processed snacks, artificial sweeteners, and raw salads after sunset. In their place, introduce easily digestible, lightly cooked meals like steamed rice, khichdi, and bottle gourd. Raw salads require heavy digestive effort. Because natural enzymes slow down in the evening, eating raw vegetables at night irritates the lining and increases gas. You must complete this 2-day elimination phase to calm the inflamed lining. Adding probiotics or heavy fiber to a highly irritated system will not work. Once the gut settles, days 2 through 4 focus on deep cleaning. We introduce cooked green vegetables, oats, and chia seeds to sweep the lining. This cross-section demonstrates a critical error. Increasing fiber without proportionately increasing water turns fiber into a hard blockage, rapidly worsening constipation. You must drink 2.5 to 3 liters of fluids daily. Cumin or coconut water provide natural electrolytes. Proper hydration guarantees your fiber acts as an effective broom that sweeps the intestines clean, ensuring the detox process moves smoothly. By days 4 through 6, your digestive tract is clean enough to safely repopulate with beneficial bacteria. You will add natural probiotic sources to your daily diet. Use homemade curd, buttermilk mixed with cumin, and cooked fermented foods like dosa or idli. Strictly avoid sugary, store-bought probiotic drinks. The preservatives in these products directly counteract the healing process we have established. Probiotics only take root and function when introduced into a gut environment that has already been cleared of blockages and inflammation. Your gut is a biological system tied to your circadian rhythm. Erratic meal timings confuse this rhythm, forcing the digestive system to work overtime. This 24-hour clock shows the schedule. Wait consistently between 6:30 and 7:30 a.m. and immediately drink warm water to trigger the digestive tract. Evening rules are rigid. Eat early, take a 10-minute walk, and maintain a 1-hour gap before sleep. Building this rhythmic predictability reduces your gut's daily workload. This leads to noticeable improvements in both your daytime energy and nighttime sleep quality. After the initial 7 days, we move to the maintenance phase. These 7 daily rules will preserve your reset results indefinitely. Rule 1 is mapping 3 distinct color zones on every plate. This guarantees a diverse intake of phytonutrients to feed your microbiome. Rule 2 is that you never skip breakfast. You need light, warm food within 40 minutes of waking to break your overnight fast. Rule 3 prohibits eating raw vegetables at night. Your digestive enzymes slow down in the evening, making heavy raw foods too difficult to process. Rule 4 is the 90% rule. Eat home-cooked meals the vast majority of the time to avoid the hidden irritants found in restaurant food. Rule 5 requires eating fruit strictly on its own. Separate it from dairy or your main meals to prevent sugar fermentation and bloating. Rule 6 mandates consuming at least 1 natural, unsweetened probiotic source every single day to keep good bacteria thriving. Rule 7 addresses the gut-brain axis. Protecting your gut from emotional stress through slow breathing and phone-free eating is mandatory for maintaining regular bowel movements. Respecting the gut as a biological system provides the necessary conditions for long-term digestive stability. Following this protocol results in more complete bowel movements, significantly reduced bloating, and more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Achieving these results requires no expensive pills or extreme diets. You only need discipline and respect for your body's biology. Here is the consolidated roadmap of the entire protocol. Take a screenshot of this guide. Start day 1 tomorrow morning and subscribe for more evidence-based health systems.